Hello everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Avax, Avalanche. It's a great little project. It's making strides. It's moving places, okay? I was looking at the charts yesterday, just going through a few various cryptos, and I did notice this one, that you got the buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid, and it had not quite retraced to the 050 yet for a test of resistance. So I put this on Twitter and obviously in the altcoins TA within the Discord server as well in the Patreon. So it was good. So far it's broken out. It's doing really well. I think I made the post yesterday when it was at $8.23, $18.23, sorry, and it's gone up, and I think it's topped out just now at around about $20 or something. But yeah, you can see it's on its way pretty much, and you've got a beautiful buy and go to the beat signal here from CoinsKid. You know, that was printed a few days ago, and you're holding it as support. You're looking good. I mean, these are like rocking horse shit. Okay, look, the last time you got one down here, you had this rollover, a level of support was held, you came into some kind of apex just there, you created this sort of double bottom, and you start to pick up, you got the cross just there, and within a month, you appreciated. You know, let's take a look at this. So within how long did we actually take to appreciate that level just there? So from that golden cross to the high, let's move this down. So literally within 34 days, we went up a whopping, let me get up right on the nose just there, went up a whopping 1,634% from that cross. Now, I'm not saying we're going to do that again, but it's a really, really good signal that you look for, okay? Death cross, sell and go to the beach signal, bullish cross, golden cross, buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid, okay? Beautiful. And if we can retain that and hold that, this is where you're going to see the continuation of the trend here for Avax, because it is coming up to test resistance, and this is what it hadn't done, and right now it's starting to move up to that. This is why I posted it on Twitter and in the Discord, and I'm doing a follow-up video for you. So let's say, you know, I'm not got a crystal ball, let's just say we do go super parabolic here for crypto, and we start to come up and melt faces, you know, and what is it? If we go through a very similar scenario, I'm not saying we will, this is a thought experiment. We're looking at 34 bars, which is 34 days, and then obviously we're looking at 1,600, where are we? All the way down there. Getting a bit greedy there, weren't I? 34 bars, 1,600. It's what I could do on the channel. Thought experiments, okay? What we're looking at, 1,600, roughly around there then. So that, I'm going to drop that in. It'd be nice to look in the future and say, wow, I did predict that and it came true. But I'm not saying it will, but that's what you could be looking at by, you know, the 15th of September. You could be looking at a $248 price tag for Avax. If it goes through the same sort of wave here, you know, where it bottomed out, capitulated, rolled over, it forced into a corner like a rat, and it popped out, then it sprung out, and it created this beautiful waveform. Not saying it will. Again, honestly, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. It's for educational entertainment purposes only. It's all thought experiment, it's projection, you know, whether we're going down or going up, it's just thought experiments, okay? So this is a potential little thought experiment, again, not financial advice, but if we do start to get a bit of a run up here, and we do start to go parabolic, you could potentially look at that, you know, that appreciation. But we do have a more respectable price prediction based off fibs here for Avax, from the low just there to the high. You know, this is the potential that is in front of us anyway, and I'm not, you know, I can't put a crystal ball on the sense that I can't say that the timestamp, but I can say that this is the technical target, providing you come up and break these levels of resistance, which you are doing. You're coming up and you're breaking resistance, okay? Providing you can continue to break resistance here for Avax, you know, come up and do this and do that and do this and do that and break this high, especially at $60.96. That is your next target based off fibs. The 1618 at $194 per Avax token in this bull run. That is what we're anticipating, the 1618 fib extension up there, okay? Whether or not it moves up slowly but surely, you know, or goes super parabolic, the 1618 is our primary target for you, and that's our price prediction, okay? But you've got to break through levels of resistance, and this is why yesterday I noticed it and I put this trade up. At least you're going to be coming up to test this 050 as resistance, because this is what you see. You see these tests of resistance and retracements. If it gets rejected and rolls, it is what it is. You lose this low, you're looking at a bear market, and I've told you that. You're looking at a bear market there if you lose the lows that everything's created for itself. So just there, you've got a beautiful double bottom. You're breaking out of the double bottom, which within itself has a technical target, which I will show you. I'm not sure if it's got there yet, but you know, this is a reversal pattern just there. You've got that beautiful level of resistance which you've broken out of just there, you know, and a beautiful W double bottom. Look at that. Okay, you came back just in, you found support on the 20 on the daily, then you formed a buy and go to the beat from CoinsKid, you broke up, you back tested support, and right now you're on your way. The technical target for Avax is from there to there. And what we'll do, move this out like that, and you can see that it's absolutely met that technical target, and that's actually where it's ran into a level of resistance right now at that technical target. Okay, so if you do start to see it fall back, okay, which would be healthy, if you do start to see it fall back, put some cheeky bids on the 20 EMA on the daily time frame, currently at $15.74 if you do see it roll back. But right now you are above the 0382, so that in itself could offer a fantastic entry point if you do start to see a little rollback. Put some cheeky bids down here, because this is a primary level of support right now. Previous resistance, back test and turn into support, build up momentum to tackle the 050. You're looking at continuation once you get through these levels, because from here right now, if it was to continue, you are looking at a beautiful trade of around about 874% for Avax in continuation. But full transparency, if you do roll over and you lose $9.29, that is a confirmation of the bear, and that's where you will enter the bear market here for Avax. And from that, I can tell you that your technical low in the bear market is around about 95%, which would bring you back down to this low here. Okay, so that's your bear market bottom if you have topped out here and you are actually entering a bear, and this is a parabolic rise here, blow off top, losing support, come up, dead cat bounce, lose support. This is your bear market low right here. Okay, full transparency, lose $9.29, you are looking at a $2.94 Avax token in the bear market, which usually takes around about a year to come to fruition from the local top. So with that, as a thought experiment, I'll tell you where your bear market low is, around about 360, around about there. So you could be looking at February, roughly, you know, wherever it is, because that was your local top in the Feb last year, and that could be your local bottom in the Feb next year, you know, and that's what it takes in a bear market low. So I'm not saying it is going to happen, but I'll always show you everything on the channel. Okay, but so far so good. We're looking at coming up at least to test key levels of resistance above us, you know. Like a lot of projects, they've not necessarily come up yet, or they have come up yet. This is what's telling me potentially you're looking at a 050 retest right here for Avax. Okay, Avax. Take care, everyone. Back to more another update on Avax. It's so far so good. You're looking for continuation, providing you can hold support. Technical target of a W double bottom met, and look, it's the resistance just there. Again, you know, that's a key level of resistance, because I would imagine that if you do start to see that resistance, look, there's not much there other than upside. Do you see that? So you break this level of resistance, you could absolutely explode here for Avax. Take care, everyone. Back soon. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, and thank you for your support. Bye bye.